Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the benefits of meditation and how it can help keep your mind calm. Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years and has been used to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. When we meditate, we focus our attention on a particular object, sound, or visualization, allowing our minds to become calm and still. Meditation has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety levels, which can lead to a more relaxed and calm state of mind. It can also improve our ability to focus and concentrate, which can be especially helpful for those with busy or demanding lifestyles. There are many different types of meditation, including mindfulness meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and transcendental meditation. Each type of meditation has its own unique benefits, and it's important to find the one that works best for you. One of the most important things to remember when starting a meditation practice is to be patient and persistent. It may take some time to see the benefits of meditation, but with regular practice, you will begin to notice a difference in how you feel and how your mind functions. In conclusion, meditation is an excellent practice for keeping your mind calm and improving your overall well-being. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, there are many benefits to be gained from this ancient practice. So take some time each day to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and focus your attention inward. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.